I want to talk about these Unicook adjustable heat plate replacements. These are for my father. He has a old Brinkman grill, and the heat plates have rotted out, so he needed replacements. So I ordered these up for him. So what do you get? What's in the box? There are 8 half pieces of the heat plate. You'll see in a moment. You put them together, and there are some included wing nuts and bolts that you use to snap them together, so you can adjust it to the exact size you need for the particular grill that you're using these on. Additionally, there are included instructions that'll break it down for you, but it's really not any more difficult than line them up, get the adjustment right for the size grill that you have, and put the nuts and bolts in place to hold it, and then drop it into the grill. If you need some for your grill, please click on the link in the description below.